There is less than 2 months left till 2026 and you're not sure how to start the new year and how to set your new year goals. I'm here for you. It doesn't matter if you're a planning pro or if you've never set a single structured goal in your life. This blueprint is for anyone who wants to start the year with a clean page, a little hope, and a lot of intention. We're not just writing goals, we're building a year that actually feels aligned with who you want to become. So grab your notebook, get cozy, maybe light a candle, and let's do this together.
Shall I compare to a summer day? She's the sun, she fill out the gray. Quench my thirst, she's my lemonade. The yellow that I couldn't paint.
Step 1. Build your 2026 identity vision. Before we jump into lists and habits and all that good stuff, pause, breathe. Think about who you want to become, not just what you want to accomplish. Ask yourself, when December 2026 arrives, who do I want to be? What do I want to feel proud of? How do I want to feel every day? Not just what do I want to own or achieve. Write it down as if you're telling yourself a story. In 2026, I'm someone who wakes up with energy, takes care of my body, earns money in a way that feels aligned, and nurtures meaningful relationships. I live with calm confidence. Let this be emotional, personal, a little dreamy. This step shapes everything else because goals without identity alignment feel empty and they don't last. Then paint your life picture: career, health, finances, lifestyle, mental wellness, relationships, new experiences. Not in numbers yet, just feelings and direction. Imagine your life like you're watching a movie starring the 2026 version of you. We don't chase goals, we grow into them. Step 2. Turn vision into real goals. Now we turn the vision into real targets, but we do it smart. There are 2 types of goals: result-based goals. The outcomes: run a half marathon, save $10,000, reach X career milestone. Process-based goals: the actions: run 4 times a week, save 10% of your income monthly, learn 30 minutes daily. Basically recurring events. Here is the secret: results without process equals to frustration. Process without results equals to confusion. You need both. They work like a GPS. Destination plus turn-by-turn directions. Pick 3 to 4 core goals for the year. Not 12, not 20. Focus gives power. You can have dreams, sure, but choose your active goals carefully. Ask yourself, which goals change my life the most? Which goals feel aligned with who I want to become? Which goals excite me and scare me just a little? Write each goal with its matching habit or system. This is where your year starts getting real. Step 3. Create your system. Quarterly, weekly flow. Big goals are great, but execution happens in small windows. We break one big year into small, winnable segments. Think in 90-day chapters instead of 12 stressful months. Ask yourself every quarter, what does meaningful progress look like for the next 90 days? What can I do consistently, not perfectly? Then break those down: monthly focuses, weekly actions, daily micro habits. This means you don't wake up in October panicking because the year flew by. You get 4 fresh starts, 4 chances to adjust, 4 progress cycles. And that's how you build real momentum instead of New Year hype that evaporates by February. Success doesn't come from doing everything at once, it comes from doing the right things repeatedly. Step 4. Build an environment accountability system. Motivation is cute, but structure is better. But don't rely on feeling motivated because honestly, no one feels motivated every day, not even me, not even the most disciplined people. Instead, we design our environment to support all goals. That is the key. Examples: lay out your gym clothes at night. Put your journal on your pillow so you have to see it. Keep books visible. Meal prep basics. Silence notifications during work blocks. Create a money tracking sheet. And include people in your system. Even one person is enough. Tell someone your goals. Join a community. Pair with an accountability buddy. Share progress publicly if that motivates you. When your environment supports you, success becomes easier than failure. Step 5. Review, adjust, and stay kind to yourself. This is where people either win or quit. Do not expect perfection. Expect evolution. Every week and every month, check in with yourself. What worked? What didn't? What needs adjusting? What am I proud of? What's one thing I can improve next week? No guilt, no beating yourself up. Growth is messy and discipline is not a straight line. It's a conversation with yourself. One of the most powerful habits you can build for 2026 is the ability to course correct without shame. This is literally what happened to me this year so frequently. So I had to do that like a million times, but I'm not regretting it. I don't feel like a failure because you cannot control and you cannot plan everything in life. Life is so changeable, unpredictable, and you don't know what the future holds. So please, if that ever happens to you, don't feel bad about it. Don't feel like a failure because that's not even the situation. In fact, the more flexible you are as a person, the better you'll learn to pivot your plans in the right direction, which is a must in today's world. Remember, consistency beats intensity. Patience beats pressure. A gentle restart beats a dramatic stop and start cycle. Start small today. You don't need January 1st. A change can begin right now, right after this video, with one action, one habit, one decision. Also, a useful tip from me: add timing variety to your goals instead of stacking everything for December. Don't plan all achievements for the end of the year. Set some for mid-year, others for fall, and a few for later. This distributes momentum, gives you multiple win moments, and keeps motivation high. Keep your planner and goal list visible at all times to stay engaged and excited as different milestones approach throughout the year. Out of my curiosity, I asked ChatGPT the other day, what is one thing that everyone misses about goal setting and achieving goals? And I received this. Most people focus on what they want but ignore when and capacity. The missing elements: strategic timing and energy management. Setting a goal isn't only deciding what to do, it's deciding when in your year, life this actually fits, what season of energy you're in, what you're intentionally not doing during that period. People plan goals as if motivation and time stay constant. In reality, success comes from aligning goals with realistic energy cycles and life seasons, not forcing everything into one continuous push. And it's absolutely true. When I pause and think about it, this year has been really chaotic and time to time difficult for me. Now I reflect on it, I was not ready energy-wise to achieve some of my goals because my headspace was simply not there, even though I had the physical energy. And that's actually why focusing and setting only a few goals is really important, because you cannot be everywhere all the time. January 1st will hit and you will become a machine that works towards her goals 24/7. No, that's not realistic. You will always have social time, you will always need rest time, you will always need enough sleep, even at your toughest times. So going back to the point, scan your energy, where you want to head to in 2026, what is your priority, what you are willing to give up on to achieve these goals. Write them down, take your time, plan your quarterly goals and weeks, and let me know if this structure has helped you. Stay tuned for more New Year content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!